Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting and simple problem called alternating sum of an array. In this problem, we are given an integer array called nums and our task is to find this alternating sum. Now you may wonder, what does alternating sum mean? It means we add the element at even indices and subtract the element at the odd indices. So the pattern should look something like this. Let's understand this with an example. For example, now here is the example 1357. Now first index 0 is even, then we will add 1. Index 1 is odd, then subtract 3. Now this will goes on until the array is over. Now how will we are going to solve this? Now first we are going to create a variable called sum or raise, transfer to the array using loop, check whether the index is odd or even, and then according to it, if the index is even, then we will add the element. Otherwise, if the index is odd, we are going to subtract it. Now let's get into code. First, let's create a variable. Now we have to loop through the array. I should be less than number. Uh, Now, first we will check my index is odd or even. Now you will simple condition like this. Now this will check if the my index is even or not. If the index is even, then we are gonna add the number at that index. Like the number at this index should be number I. Now whether if the index is not odd, then we are gonna subtract that element for this looking good. Now at the end of the array, I mean at the end of the loop, we are gonna return this sum. Now let's check the solution. As you can see, it's working fine. Every test is looking good. Now let's submit it. There you go.